Hey everybody, welcome back to Record-ology. Okay, when we talk about cleaning, we're usually talking about this, a carbon fiber brush or a velvet brush, something along those lines. And keeping the record itself clean is very, very important because they can collect oil, dust, all kinds of gunk and things of that nature. And cleaning the record is a vital part of getting the most out of your vinyl record listening experience. However, there is another aspect besides these brushes, and that is the stylus or the needle. And the needle is the actual thing riding down there in the groove. And when you have something going through that groove, here's another look at the brushes, by the way, you're going to be attracting all kinds of dust. You're going to be scraping it out of those deep grooves. And not often talked about is care and cleaning of the needle itself. So in this video, I'm going to show you this really cool product by Hudson Hi-Fi. This is their little Stylus cleaning gel. It comes in this little plastic container. There's a little plastic inset piece to protect it. And this is a soft, very sticky gel material. You don't want to touch it with your fingers. The idea is that you dip your stylus in here after each side of a record, and you'd be amazed what you suck off of that needle. All kinds of gunk. And it's just a phenomenal thing to see the before and after. So I've got a record that's super dirty and I've played it, and you're going to see kind of an extreme example of what the dust and grime can look like, you know, accumulated on that needle. There it is. That's an extreme example, I admit. But it happens. I have actually played records and seen this kind of buildup and been like, wow, that's intense. So what we're going to need to do is use this stylus cleaner, and you simply lower the stylus down on the gel and it sucks off the junk. I mean, it's a pretty simple process, but you touch it down lightly using the cueing lift lever, and you move it and you do it a couple, 2-3 times like that, and you will get all of the gunk off of that needle. That will protect your records. It'll give you much better sound, and it's really one of the best ways to deep clean that groove. And then once you've done this, which removes pretty much everything, especially if it wasn't that gunked up to begin with, you can take their wet cleaner. I'm going to put links to these things in the description below, but you can take their wet cleaner and wipe it from back to front like that, and you will have a good as new stylus. And I highly recommend these tools, you guys, especially the gel. I think that is one of the most phenomenal and important tools in doing this hobby, something you definitely want to have no matter what record player you have, guys. All right, that's enough for now. Happy record hunting. See you next time.